Hello dear students, today we are going to do English grammar chapter number 5, page number 41. So, two things here we have to remember, and it is we use some for plurals and uncountable noun. Where some is used for plurals. Plurals means where the things are many, and uncountable noun. Uncountable means like milk, honey, water. These all are uncountable noun. And in positive sentence means without any question. It should not be negative question. Okay, we use any for plurals and uncountable nouns in negative sentence and in questions. See, here it is written in questions. Okay, then see, there are this question number F. Mala and her friends are making a list of things that they need for a picnic. It means they need for a picnic some things are there given here. So what we have to do, we have to write sentence about the list using a, and, some and any. Okay, so a, and, some and any, these are the words that are given here, which they have, it is put right, they have put right, and what is not there they have put wrong in front of that. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to make some sentences that this they have and this thing they don't have. Okay, so they don't have any spoons. Okay, there are many spoons, as it is given, so spoons and any spoons. Okay, then number third, they don't have any basket. It is wrong, so they don't have this, they don't have, but what we have written here, any. Okay, they don't have any basket, they don't have any food, उनके पास कोई food नहीं है. They don't have some water. Okay, sorry, they have some water, it is put tick right here, so they have what, they have some water. Then they have an umbrella. Okay, so what we have done here, see, a, and, some and any, we are using here these articles. Okay, a, and. Then question number G, complete the sentence with some or any. So what we have to write here, some or any, we have to fill here. So first one is given, second one I am reading. Vijay needs some glue to mend his shoes. See here, why I have used some, because glue is uncountable. Okay, uncountable noun. So glue, you all know, gum, which is used for sticking something, to stick something. So Vijay needs some glue to mend his folder. Then mummy want to put some milk in her tea. Milk is also uncountable noun, so we will use here some. Do you have any money left? See here what they have given, you can see here in question. What we will use, any. Okay, in question. So here this is a question, so what we are going to use is any. Do you have any money left? Then number 5, there are some beautiful flowers in the garden. See this is a positive sentence. Why? Because there is no question mark here, so it is a positive sentence, means वो है. So there are some beautiful flowers in the garden. Is there any ice cream for the lemon? This is also a negative question, so we are using any. Okay, when there is a question, you can see in question, we will use what, we will use any. Okay, so is there any ice cream for the lemonade, because they are asking some questions, so we can use any. Okay, we will use here any. Then the next question, here you can see, dear students, much and many. What we are going to use here, much and many are more usual in questions and negative sentence. And in the negative sentence means much और many का ज़्यादातर यूज़ किया जाता है negative sentences में. Uncountable noun, countable noun. What are uncountable noun? Which like food, water, milk, honey, which are not countable, which we cannot count. Okay, so they are a lot, there is a lot of food, there is not much food, there is there much food? Okay, So in the same way, countable noun, see, countable noun, there are a lot of people we can count. Okay, there are not many people. So this is the negative question. This is not, see here not is used, so it is a negative one. So minus here, it is put, they have put minus. There are not many people. Are there many people? This is also negative because question mark, so it is not confirmed. So are there many people? Okay, then question number H, put these words in the correct part of the table. What in the help box, some words are given. What are they? They are countable noun and uncountable noun. Means these all are noun, name of something, but they are, some are countable and some are uncountable. What we have to do is we have to put these words in this noun in different columns. One is countable and the another one is uncountable noun. Okay, so countable nouns I am writing here in countable column. Okay, song, suitcase. Song, how many songs we have sung? Okay, song, one song, two songs, like this. Song. Suitcase is countable. How many suitcases are there? 1 2 3, it is countable. Equipment, what are equipments? सी, equipment मीन्स जो औज़ार होते हैं और टूल्स होते हैं, जो सामान होते हैं. ओके, तो दे आर equipments. देन फर्नीचर, फर्नीचर you all know, bed, table, chair, these are furniture. Luggage, luggage is also countable. How many bags are there? That is luggage. Printer and bed, bed also is countable. These all things are countable noun. And this one, in the uncountable nouns, we will see here what things we have written here. Feeling, love is not countable, feeling is not countable, uncountable. Music is uncountable, how much music we are listening, that is uncountable. Then homework, homework is also uncountable. Sometime it may be 1 page, 2 page, or more than that. Then information, information, how many informations are there? It is also not countable. Some information are quite big, some are quite small, so it is uncountable. Then game, how much game we play, we don't count. Okay, how much game we are playing, for hour, for 2 hours, or for half an hour. Okay, so it is not countable. Then message, message is also not countable, so it is uncountable noun. Okay, then for this they have given one exercise for countable noun. So here we can see, I complete the phrases with the correct word. So here, see, in the column two words are given, we have to write it which are suitable. Okay, a lot of people, how much food? A lot of money, not many coins. A lot of bowls, not much food. A lot of curry, how many vegetables?